And the first touch for Fiba, who gives it to Giddy. And he's about to run the show for the Boomers. Kay there to pounce. Giddy pushing, glides around one. Josh Giddy lays into Venezuela. Nice hand in there from Paddy Mills. Second opportunity and one opportunity coming up for Gilas.
Venezuela are going to be able to put up a score.
Oh, Reith! First up. Thrown up from deep by Venezuela. And Giddy so comfortable. Deep, Reith again. Here's the presence as well. Full court press here from Venezuela. And Nick Kay is good enough to dribble through it and find Fiba in the corner.
Had some issues, but the last season really picked it up on from the three-point line.
Soho in rhythm. Two superstars there as Mills threw it away. Giddy couldn't latch onto it. Soho finds his man in the corner in rhythm.
Up and in on Josh Giddy. He's really trying to prevent him from handling the ball, keep it out of his hands.
The Washington man. Oh, Giddy spinning his way in the lane. The pirouette has them back to the number 19 from NBA kind of range. Bottom of the net. Giddy keeping it up tempo. Add two more for the NBA. After playing in Europe in recent years and battling some injuries. Now Cook's extra pass to the corner for Joe Ingles. Mathurin threw it away. In stride, Exum. On that stage. Carrera over Exum. Splashes one.
Weiler.
Computer drawing. I think it might be four. This time it's thrown up for Cooks. Nice D. Kick back out to Ingles, who buries a second. Exum handling the rock and finding Reith down low. Was shaping for another dunk. When Matisse was a young man. That's why he's qualified to play for Australia. As Giddy has it taken away by Kubian. Zamora knocks down the three in transit. Giddy trying to work it with Reith, and they left him all alone. He's the highest scorer. Might have got away with a carry there, Nick Kay, but he doesn't make many mistakes. And Paddy Mills! 4-point play opportunity! For a big crowd at Rod Laver Arena on a Monday night. Mills and Giddy. Dwop Reith. He's got that one.
I like it. Get up and in and try and be disruptive.
Oh, no looker! And Cooks finishes off the...
Before the World Cup as well, and that'll be a real test.
Mills got a piece of that. Cooks finished off the job, took it off Giddy, and then threw it away. Chorio was ready to pounce. Sloppy turnover. Oh, Giddy again, the one-hand pass. Still found Giddy somehow. Tidied up out the back. It was intended for this man. And look at that touch. Dewalt here with Thibault controlling the ball. Look at the way he gets into the lane. Wanted the foul, but Reith is there to tidy up there.
And the hands, quick hands.
Oh, Kay found him. But threw it away to Kay. Giddy, what about the footwork? Around Colmenares! And the hometown boy throws it down.
Outstanding game. Josh Giddy.
Daniels of the New Orleans Pelicans. Fantastic rookie season from him. Plenty of game time. Taken on by Gigents. And the open jumper is buried. Heart and soul. Paddy Mills.
Oh, hang on.
Giddy going at it. Plenty of feeling here. Chorio. And the superstar.
You see Giddy to the top there, gets a little push, another little push. Cheerio just trying to push him, and then the elbow comes, and then Cheerio says, I'm sure I'm going to take that. There it is there.
I understand. I saw it.
Transition, nice find. Mathurin, a little off. Nice offensive board. And a tip by Daniels, an illegal one. It's
backboard, and that's what... Oh, no, that's...
Gent.
Look out.
Yep. Here goes Dyson Daniels. Had to search for it. What about the adjustment and control? As it breaks for Exum. Mills. Ingles. Oh, yeah! Paddy was saluting. So much going on at the defensive end. Just swarming all over. over the South American side. Daniels from the corner. Can't hit the free throws. He's been practicing the threes.
Well, he shot at 31% from the three-point line in the NBA. I'm still worried. Hopefully it's nothing too serious. Take some ankle and calf issues. Oh, my God.
Oh! Xavier Cox. We've seen that before. Vargas took a tumble after kicking it out to Matara. And the three ball is
point line.
Exum. What about the handles from Dante?
The way you provide a better opportunity to have success is you get the defense to spread. Chris Golding can spread the floor because you have to respect his three ball.
Oh, back-to-back threes from Venezuela. There, Dante Exum couldn't get the finish this time on the right. Soho. Oh, that's class.
Oh.
And 4 points in a real hurry in about 2 seconds flat. So after this handle from Fiba. Giddy in the lane and one.
Just rises above. Gets to his spot.
Well,
yeah, absolutely. That's a given. 8 boards now.
And an assist for Jack White. Jump. That's what Kay can do in a 4 or 5 roll. The ball handling. Found Thibault, who finished the job. Josh Giddey, he knew where he was because the crowd was counting them down for him. He finds Reith here. That's another assist. And a trademark finish to Ott Reith as well. Great numbers again from the 20-year-old Josh Giddey. Oh, nice two-man game, and Reith has 2 more.
He's up to 23, 10 of 13.
Just to boost that field goal percentage, 11 from 13 from the field for Ott Reith. Here he is again, showing his range. What a night to Ott Reith.
What might be, but hopefully there is a decision to make with Chris Golding going off with that like a leg injury to bruising, and she'll be right. Great pass, Dante Exum.
Right to DK. Exum looking for options. Takes it on himself, and the Boomers have 97, and they should get one more crack at bringing up 100. And we use some clock here. Soho from long range. What do Australia want to do? The tradition is dribble that out. The fans are saying, how about the 3 ball for the ton?
No, you won't see any of that. Tough night for Venezuela. Really good signs for the Boomers as they start their campaign. And tick the box tonight. Impressive win. Spectacular work on the defensive end.